Hey there, content creators and curious minds. Welcome back to UAI Tube, the place where we unravel the secret of creative content. Today's video is not just a tutorial, it's a game changer. Ever wondered how to make captivating faceless videos effortlessly? Well, today I am going to show you not only how to use Canva but also how to leverage the power of ChatGPT to craft a unique, engaging video. Exciting? Stick around because this is going to be epic. But first, smash that subscribe button and let's dive in. Before we jump into the tutorial, let's talk about why faceless videos matter and the magic we are about to unleash with ChatGPT. Faceless videos not only provide a sense of mystery but also allow you to focus on your content without worrying about being on camera. And with the assistance of ChatGPT, we are taking creativity to a whole new level. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Alright, let's get our tools ready. If you haven't already, sign up for Canva. It's your creative playground. Now here's where it gets exciting. We are bringing in ChatGPT to enhance our script. I will guide you through setting up ChatGPT to assist in creating a compelling narrative for your video. This is the secret sauce to make your content stand out. With ChatGPT, there are numerous possibilities. For instance, if you are in travel niche, you can ask ChatGPT to suggest 5 breathtaking destinations to visit in 2024 or seeking assistance in generating a compelling video title. In this specific request, I am asking for a script for a YouTube video on my channel. See what ChatGPT is going to bring us. You can also ask ChatGPT for a good title for this video. We can ask ChatGPT for more title options. We can also ask for the keywords of the video. Absolutely, ChatGPT is versatile and can assist with various tasks. Whether you need creative writing, content generation, information retrieval, or assistance with a specific niche like travel, the model can be a valuable tool. To make a cool travel video on Canva, start by choosing a blank template and setting up the size of your video. Then check out the elements section for fun travel graphics and stickers to add to your video. You can drag down the videos available or pictures or graphics they have available. There are many options you have there, so you can play around and get what you are looking for exactly for your video. You can add another sheet to your video and drag another video or graphics or picture you want. Just scroll down and search whatever you want to use. You can detach the video as a background, or you can undetach, so make it separate. You can change the color of your tile or template to black to make the video more prominent. You can also make some effects, bring some effects or animation to your video. Just you have many options there. For text, you can add heading or subheading, anything, any size you want. You can like, let's suppose this video is for New York, so we can add New York into it. We can make the text look bigger very easily. Is this Canva, the easiest or best part is that it's very easy to use. You can change the color or make the effects bring in the back. You can change the color of the text, like whatever you like here. You can make it bold. You can change the font. Then you can animate your video or your text. So I'm going to put a popping effect here, and I'll show you how it looks. Now once you're ready, once you think that everything you want is in your video, you can just finish, just play back your video very easily, and you can upload if you want. You can upload your own content, your own adventures to this video very easily. Canva is very easy to use software, and most of the part it's free. You can play around and learn what you have to do, or you can watch the other videos we have on Canva. So once you're ready, you can just download it and finish your work on Canva. After finishing your video, you can make it even better by adding voiceover. You can use 11 Labs or the built-in Canva text-to-speech option for this. If you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. Think about subscribing to the channel and share the video with your friends. Thanks a bunch.